Coronavirus in central New York now. The infection rate is now close to 4%. There are 57 new cases in Onondaga County. State data is reporting Oneida with 32, Oswego County with 12, and Wayne County with 12 as the counties with the most cases in our region. The Onondaga County Executive is addressing the rise in COVID cases at a press conference this afternoon. He says data shows we can expect an ongoing surge, at least for the next couple of weeks. News Channel 9's Adrian Smith explains what's being done to stop the spread.
Back on June 27th, Onondaga County had just one new case of coronavirus. But on Monday, the county reporting 57 new cases on top of a combined total of 151 cases reported over the weekend, many coming from community spread.
We know that finding the virus wherever it is what we need to do. And then we need to isolate that threat, and that's what we're doing.
One way the county is trying to slow the spread again is by reinstating a mandatory quarantine for people experiencing COVID-19 symptoms and waiting for a test result to come back.
We did this in the beginning. What does that mean? That means if I am sick and I have COVID symptoms and I get a test and I'm waiting for that result to come back, you are now in a quarantine. We're doing that because based off of data, folks are not doing that, and then they are spreading the virus.
Since July 1st, 38% of cases are among those who are fully vaccinated, according to the county's website. But even though the virus is continuing to infect more people, McMahon says a countywide mask mandate isn't going to happen just yet.
To suggest that we're in a position where we can enforce a mask mandate in a community with the dozens of miles that we have and over 500,000 people in and out of the county each day, that's not realistic. People should wear the masks when they're in settings where there's lots of people, specifically indoors. We've said that. We've highly recommended it for people who are most at risk.
McMahon also saying that school districts can expect formal guidance from the county by the end of this week. He couldn't give specifics, but the county health department is going off of what seemed to work last year, like temperature checks, social distancing, and mask wearing. Ultimately, that decision to enforce the formal guidance will be up to each school district. Christy.
Adrian.